Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel SKT Tech, and in this video we will learn how to create a search box in a Microsoft Excel. So generally friends, when we want to search anything or find anything from our Excel sheet, we just use find function for that purpose, but find function will not give all result at once. Okay, so first I'll give you an example so you will better understand what I'm saying about. So friend, for using find function, we simply press Ctrl and F button from our keyboard, and find and replace pop-up will open, and it will ask for a data which we want to find out. So as we will find out purchase, so we will write purchase from our keyboard and just press enter, and it will show me a first cell which has purchase data in it. When I click on find next, it will show me another cell which has the same data, but it will not select all data at once. For that purpose we will use search box. When we type purchase here and click and press enter, so it will automatically select all cells which have purchase data in it. So okay, so that is the purpose we create a search box. Now we will understand and we will learn how to create search box. Okay, for that purpose we will move to another sheet where we will create our search box. Okay, so friend, first we will select our data and just click on condition formatting and click on new rule. After that, click on use a formula to determine the cells to format, and here we will create a new formula. So for this purpose we will use if function, because we have two conditions here for logical test which will evaluate the condition is true or false. So we will use is blank function and to give a reference of I2 cell, or you can give any cell you want. For our true condition, we give space and 0, and for false condition, we will use search function, give I2 again as a reference, and give a range by locking with the help of $A2 and concate with $B2 and $C2 $D2 close bracket. So friend, here if function first will evaluate this logical test. If this logical test will give a true value, then it will run first condition. If this logical test will give false value, then this search condition will run. So space 0 simply means friend, it will do nothing. It will do nothing on your database. It will show nothing, because if you don't have anything in your I2 cell, which means it will do nothing. It will leave as a blank. Okay, when you put something in I2 cell or want to type something in this cell, so its cell will give a false value, and then if function will run search command, and this search function will find I2 value in this range. Okay, we just concate with this range with AND operator and lock all cells with the help of dollar sign, because we want to search start from our second row. Okay, that's why we logged all columns. Okay, and now format it. Now fill with green color, font will be bold, and select white as a color. It will look like this, and just okay. Now I'm just increasing the size of I2 cell, so you easily understand where we use our function conditional formatting. Okay, just highlight this cell so you easily can understand where we used our conditional formatting. Okay, now only you have to do is type anything. Suppose you want list of not sold items, so just enter it, and you can see that all not sold thing have selected in your database. Now I want process list, just click, and you can see that all process at once selected in your database. So this way you can select all things at once. You don't need to find things one by one like find function do. So that's all in this video. We will meet you in next video. Till then, bye.